KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
A pipe with dimensions D20 to D40 is shortened to the desired length with the cutting wrench WZ130. A pipe with dimensions D50 to D160 is shortened to the desired length with the pipe cutter WZ135. After you have shortened the pipes, push back the insulation on the pipes with insulation. Pay attention that there is no contact between the insulation material and welding device during the welding process. If necessary, mark the depth. From our chart, find the appropriate heat-up time according to the pipe diameter. Set the timer. Pay attention that the surface of the pipe, as well as the inside of the form piece, is clean and free of any grease. Slide the pipe and the form piece to their full depth in the welding device. The heat-up time begins now. After the heat-up phase, you should immediately, without any delay, fit the pipe and form piece together. The stripes on the pipe and on the form piece serve to indicate directions. Readjustment is possible up to a maximum of 4 degrees. By readjustment, follow the given times according to the chart. After the cool-down phase, the mended pipe can again be placed under pressure in full working condition.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.